Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Wix for brand style settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize your Wix for brand style settings, start by logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard. Look for the Settings tab on the left side menu and click on it. In the Settings menu, find and select Branding. Next, you will see the option for Brand Style. Click on Brand Style to access the customization panel. Here, you'll find the option to connect your brand's color palette. Choose the colors that represent your brand. You can either enter the HEX code or select colors from the color picker. Once you've selected your colors, move on to the typography settings. Pick the fonts that align with your brand's identity. Wix offers various font styles. Browse through and choose what you like. After selecting your fonts, make sure to define your heading styles. You can customize the size, weight, and spacing for headings and paragraphs. Next, proceed to add your logo to the site. Upload your logo file and ensure it fits well within the designated space. After uploading, check how your logo looks on different devices. Now, review the overall design by using the preview option. Ensure that your brand colors, fonts, and logo are harmonious and visually appealing. If everything looks good, click on the Save button to apply your changes. To finalize the setup, go back to the dashboard and ensure all brand settings are updated. Your Wix site is now fully authorized with your brand style settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.